If you're tired of the fitted sheet and the hassle of the fitted sheet, get rid of it. Throw it away. With the Better, you can use a flat sheet as your bottom sheet. And I'll show you how. And you'll be surprised how tight you can make a flat sheet as your bottom sheet. And I'll show you. What you want to do is you take the Better and you flip the Better down. Then you take your flat sheet and you can make a tight corner. You want to pull it this way and you want to make that corner. You see how tight I'm making that corner? I mean, that's a pretty tight corner. And then all you have to do is flip the Better up like that. And that's going to make that corner really tight. And you're going to do the same thing on each corner. You're going to take the flat sheet. You're going to take your Better. You're going to flip it halfway down. You're going to take the flat sheet. And remember, you want to pull this corner this way toward the center of the head of the bed or the foot of the bed. And then you're going to take the Better and you're going to flip it up. And it's going to make you have a tight corner. And it's going to make all your sides tight. I did the same thing with these already. And I wish you could see it or feel it actually, how tight this is. The sides are so tight because they're pulling against each other. With a fitted sheet, you can't do that. The fitted sheets, the corners have to match up. So you can't really move it around, and you're stuck with how that fitted sheet fits. Now, it's easy to tuck in, but with a flat sheet, you can make that bottom really tight. Now, you may get a few wrinkles, but I have to tell you, it really stops it. So if your side sheets pop up, try a flat sheet. It really makes a difference.